All right, students, let's take a look at these pictures. The first one says sleeping at 12 o'clock. Sleeping at 12 o'clock. Now, what does this time mean to you? Does it mean or does it seem like it is AM or PM? Good job. It's AM. Now, the stars are out, as you can see in the picture. The moon is equally out. The moon and the star can only be out late in the night. So 12 o'clock means it must be 12 in the midnight. 12 in the midnight. By this time, most of you are fast asleep. So this is 12 in the midnight. Now, it says 12 o'clock. In the 12-hour time, what time would it read? Good. It will read 12:00 a.m. a.m. Remember, it's the time when a new day begins and the previous day just ended. The day resets. It starts all over again from this time. So it starts from 00:00, then it goes on to 1, 2, 3, counts up to 12 midday, and then it starts again from 1 p.m. down again till the day will end and another day begins at 12:00 a.m. on 24-hour clock. Now, on 12-hour clock, pardon me. Now, if it was the 24-hour clock, what time would it read? It will read as 00:00 a.m. 00:00 a.m. If you checked your phone, most of the time after it reads 11:59 p.m., that's 23:59 p.m., the next hour you will see will be 00:00. That means the day is resetting and a new day starts from the 0 hour on and on again. So the 12-hour clock will refer to this time as 12:00 a.m. 24-hour clock will say 00:00. Well, AM is usually not included, but once you see 00:00, that means it's 12 a.m. on 12-hour time, pardon me. Now, the second picture, let's look at it. It says going to school at 6:30. Going to school at 6:30. Do you think it is AM or PM? AM. That's about the time that many of you come down to school. So 6:30 is AM. Definitely this is reading in 12-hour, pardon me, when it says 6:30 AM. Okay? 6:30 AM is 12-hour time. So if we were to convert the time to 24-hour, what hour will it read? No, not 18:30. No, it will still read 6:30. Remember, the 24-hour clock reads by the hour of the day. It is only the 6th hour of the day. Remember, the day starts by 00:00. Okay? Then this is 6:30 a.m. That means this is the 6th hour, 30th minute of the day. So we're only 6 hours into the day. That means it's 6 a.m. and the 24-hour or 6:30 a.m. sorry. And the 24-hour time does not have any other time to give during the a.m. hours, but it will share the same time with the 12-hour clock. So 24-hour clock will equally still say 6:30. Okay? 12-hour clock will say 6:30 a.m. 24-hour clock will say 6:30 because it's the 6th hour, 30th minute of the day. Now let's see the other one. Walking his dog at 4:15. Would it be AM or PM? AM will be the 4th hour of the day, 4th hour, 15th minute of the day. And if it is PM, then that means it has gone past middle of the day. You know, the middle of the day is at 12 o'clock. Okay? Yes, 12 o'clock p.m. We'll see that shortly. So this is 4:15. Would he be walking his dog at AM, early hours of the morning, or PM? in the evening, like between afternoon and evening? It's p.m. So he's walking his dog at 4:15 p.m. Okay? Now remember, 4:15 p.m. has passed the middle of the day. The middle of the day is 12 noon. Now 4:15 p.m. has passed the middle of the day. So if we were to read it by the 24-hour time, would we say, or what time? Let me ask this way. What time would it be? Very good. It will be 16:15 no, it will read as 16:15. This 12-hour clock will read as 4:15 p.m. 24-hour would be 16:15. Okay? All right. Now let's look at the next one. Napping at 12 o'clock. Napping at 12 o'clock. I know you are looking at the first picture, sleeping at 12 o'clock. Look again at the second one, napping at 12 o'clock. Do you notice any difference? Okay, like I hear someone say sleeping and napping is the difference. No. Napping, what time do you take a nap? Yes, during the afternoon or probably during the midday, you can take a nap. Now, the first thing that lets you know that this is not midnight is just a nap. So it's not midnight. 2, the around her, everywhere still looks bright. The stars are not there. The moon is not there. So this 12 o'clock is in the middle of the day, the 12th hour of the day. So what does this mean? Definitely, it's the 12th hour of the day. And if we will read it in 24 hours, what time would it be? No, not 24:00. No, 24:00 is the 24th hour of the day. Have you forgotten that I said the 24-hour clock reads by the hour of the day? 12 o'clock is the middle of the day. We still have 12 hours more to go. So this is 12 p.m. Okay, so it means the 24-hour clock will still read 12 p.m. It will share the same time with the 12-hour clock. So take note of this. When it is 12 p.m. in the afternoon, 24-hour and 12-hour clock are the same. When it is 12 o'clock in the afternoon, 24-hour and 12-hour clocks are the same. Okay? Then, during the AM hours, all the time on 24-hour and 12-hour clocks are the same, except 12 o'clock in the midnight, 12:00 a.m. and 00:00 a.m. That's the only a.m. that reads differently on 24-hour. All other a.m.s will read the same. But for the p.m., all the p.m. will also read the different. It will read, if it is 1 o'clock in the 1:00 p.m. in the afternoon, 24-hour will say 13:00, okay, or 13:00. So the only differences we have now are on 12 in the midnight. AM is supposed to be all the same, but 12 in the midnight will not be the same. PM is supposed to be different, but 12 o'clock in the midday will be the same on 12 and 24-hour. I hope you understand that. Okay. All right, let's go to the next one.